A day in my life as a work from home mom, solo parent edition. Good day everyone! It's gonna be one more shift before day off, so let's go ahead and join me as I make my coffee because this day is gonna be a long day. I just made my usual cafe latte and drizzled some chocolate sauce and off we go to work. I said it's gonna be a long day because after my shift, I didiretso kami sa family ko sa Simala Shrine sa southern part of Cebu, and that's why last night gumawa ako ng maha blanca and bangko tapioca for the dessert namin. Dahil medyo malaki ang pamilya namin, 2 sasakyan ang kailangan namin para kumasya kaming lahat at mga 3-hour drive rin ito mula sa bahay, so isang puyatan ang magaganap. While I was at work, nangangaska si Cookie sa pintuan ko at pumasok sa kwarto. Maya-maya ay nangangalabit na dahil gusto pala niya na dito matulog sa kwarto ko. Medyo matagal ko rin siyang pinayagan to test how patient she is at mula sa paluoy-luoy na mukha into bombastic side-eye man ang transition ay. Pero nagwagi pa rin siya at nandyan sa bagong sheets ko. Mag-uusap na lang kami ng dust mite vacuum cleaner ko mamaya. After my shift ay naganda na kami ni Jeff. I get ready dahil pipick upin lang ako ng sister ko at passenger princess muna ako dahil matutulog ako sa sasakyan. Kapag matagal ka na nagda-drive, minsan gusto mo rin makisakay ka na lang kasi nakakatamad na rin minsan. So I was just waiting for my sister to pick us up at outfit check muna tayo. I gained weight lately so I have to be back on track para hindi sisikip ang mga damit ko, and I got my pants sa Okay and top from H&M, then bag from Charles & Keith and shoes from New Balance 530. Kapag may lakad sa labas, gusto ko lang talaga ng mga basic outfitan at simbahan approved naman ang ganito, so go na dito. We stopped by sa Car Public Market dahil dito maraming nagtitinda ng masasarap na lechon at dito pag-aagawan ka ng maraming tao. Literal na pag-aagawan ka para makabili ka sa kanila. Mabubusog ka rin sa mga free taste dito. Before kami dumiretso sa aming destination ay nag-lunch muna kami at kahit walang nagbe-birthday ay kumakanta pa rin kami ng happy birthday, oy. O diba kakasabi ko lang kanina na gusto ko mag-back on track pero back to back kainan man di ay ito eh. Kaya minsan gusto kong mag-isa kasi hindi ako natitempt kumain ng marami. After our meal ay may nakaabang sa aming doggy at napakalambing niya kaya binigyan namin ng food kasi patiently waiting lang talaga siya habang kumakain kami. It was raining heavily so we waited for the rain to stop at tumiretso na rin kami sa Simala Church. Kahit may mga pagsubok kami dinadaanan, ipanalangin lang yan kasi may times rin talaga na maalon ang buhay, pero it will pass rin. Magtiwala lang at magdasal in good and in bad times. I remembered few years back, dumating rin ako sa rock bottom version of myself where every day felt so heavy at parati akong malungkot. I didn't know if I need to stay with a person to have a complete family and live an unhappy life or walk into a different path and exclude the people in my life who caused my misery and find strength to raise my child alone, slowly heal and be happy. And you know what I chose? Sabi nga sa tattoo ko, you are one decision away from a totally different life. So while I watch others celebrate their happiness and success, I continued praying and waited for my turn. Life is tough, so be tougher. We drove our way home right away, and after nag-stop kami sa boardwalk of Naga and had some snacks na mga pika-pika with the kids and my siblings at inulan pa kami. Maraming mga food stalls dito and it became a tourist attraction rin. When I arrived home, nagpag-desisyon na ng family ko na dun kami magdi-dinner sa kuya ko, and I decided to bring Cookie dahil naiwan siya kanina. Alam rin talaga niya na damit niya ang dinadala ko at lumapit na agad at nagpasuot ng damit niya. Dahil malaki si Cookie, ang double extra large ay hindi pa rin kasya sa kanya. We're just waiting na pick upin ulit ang sister ko para isang biyahe na lang, and then we had dinner at my brother's place. Nagluto kami ng sinigang at kinain namin yung tirang manok. The good thing about our family is kahit hindi ito perfect, kapag may mga problema nagtutulungan rin kami at hindi pinababayaan ang isa't isa. Ayaw namin pairalin ang pride kahit we had a fair share of misunderstandings and disagreements. It was around 12 AM na kami nakauwi sa bahay dahil marami pa kaming na-chika and hindi pa ako nakapagpahinga ng maayos, so I wanted to savor the moment to sleep comfortably on my bed with the alarm turned off because it's day off. I would not worry on the next day dahil ang gusto ko lang ay to sleep well. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!